And a very pleasant good afternoon, everybody. It's 3:20 on a Friday, and I'm going to be cooking a pork stir-fry. I have this lovely pork from the other night when we were having another meal, and this pork is left over, so it's a good time to use it up. I've got a little olive oil in here right now, and I'm trying to get this skillet good and hot before I add my other ingredients, the red and green peppers and onions. Well, I don't like to put my garlic in first because garlic to me is a very delicate thing, and I like to put it in near the end. I'm going to add a flurry to this in a little bit. Now I'm going to put these onions in. These are just green onions. Some people call them scallions. All right, I got to turn this down a little bit. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and put the carrots in. Here's a backhanded. Okay, carrots. What else was in with the carrots, Betty? Celery. Okay. It looks nice and fresh, all those ingredients in there. And I'm going to get my slurry ready, which is 2 tablespoons of cornstarch and then 2 tablespoons of water. Or just a little bit of water. You can just kind of eyeball it. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and add these mushrooms in. Huh? Yeah, I'm going to add the mushrooms in, and then I'll go ahead and add your garlic and your ginger in. It's a very pretty mixture, Betty. Look at that. Isn't that pretty? Now the pork is already cooked from the other night. It's already been cooked, so I don't have to do anything but warm it up. Okay, I'm going to add a little soy sauce to this thing right now. Kikkoman. Notice I'm not going to add any extra salt to this because what I'm putting in now is salty enough. Pretty, huh? All right, I'm going to put the meat in right now. There's the pork. And this pork was from our home meal food kit. Because I had some left. Because I accidentally ordered a HelloFresh food kit for 4 people when it should have just been 2 people. A little more of this hoisin sauce. It's going to go on rice that I've already cooked, some jasmine rice. Now I'm going to go ahead and add the slurry, okay? But I don't need a lid, I can tell, because I want my vegetables to be crisp. And believe it or not, folks, I like to put some of these Kirkland super large honey roasted peanuts in. I just like to grab a handful of these, and I like a handful. These make the stir fries so nice and crunchy, and I can even munch on some right now if I want. And you make a slurry with cold water and 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. So I'm going to be adding that. You always like to stir it up before you put the slurry in there. Okay, this is the slurry. I may not have to use all of this, but I do need to turn this up a little bit. The carrots look good. The carrots look good. This is some teriyaki stir fry and marinade. And I didn't think I had that much left, but boy, that came out fast, didn't it? Yeah, you don't want to add any extra salt to this. This is going to be served over a bed of rice, so I think it's about done, Betty. Oh, believe me, it's already, I believe it's ready. She wants me to try a piece of carrot after it cools. But I love the idea of putting those honey roasted peanuts on there. I could put a little cayenne pepper in there. It tastes good. All right, that's enough heat. Not really salty at all. I'm going to use these certain bowls that Betty wants me to use when I dish this up. You can always have more, don't worry. Okay, see that? Rice. Now I'm going to take some of this stuff, and put it right here. See there? Pretty nice, huh? Maybe a little more sauce, juice, and of course I will have soy sauce at the table. Here you go, Betty, this one's yours.
More wine.
That looks cool, huh?
Yeah.
Well, anyway, I'm gonna serve mine up. More wine on the way, Betty, for you. Water chestnuts would have been good in there, but thank goodness I've got the peanuts in there. There's enough for seconds. Okay, this is how we made stir fry out of leftovers and things we had in the refrigerator. Yeah, Serendipity stir fry, Betty calls it. It looks beautiful, it really does. Have a great day wherever you are in the world, my friend, and we'll check you later.